from Stupid Fast RC, and that's Brandon the cameraman. Today we're unboxing the Thunder ZMT 10. It's ready to run, electric, four-wheel drive, and let's unbox it. Okay, so that's the car. That's a good idea. The battery's already in there. Do a test run. I'll fire it up. Does this need batteries? I've been fired from my job because apparently Brandon knows more than me, doesn't he?
Stop doing my face!
How did you know? Wait, there's a chair behind me. Let me sit on this. Okay. Look good. Let's go.
So we get a charger in this set. Stop doing my face! Dude, stop. Hold on.
Show us the charger then.
We have this B3 compact charger that comes with this 1/10 scale monster truck.
Stop moving it.
And
oh my god. Okay, we're good now.
And an EU charger, so just make sure when you order this thing, get the right thing. You get this good remote that
pretty prestige.
It feels comfy. The ZD Racing logo.
Can you not hold it down there? Hold it up near your face, not near... There we go.
It's got a radio signal thing.
I'm pretty sure all remotes have one.
The on button's at the back, and when you turn it on, it should be flashing red.
Oh, I did a better review than you. Come on.
Yeah, whatever.
So the car has metal shocks, metal gears, and the metal T-bone, dog bones as well. So it's not a toy grade car. Fully adjustable racing slippers for controlled acceleration on any surface, and best for driving on terrain. Yeah, it was actually a pretty fast car. I reckon if you put a better battery in it, it might go a lot faster. You just have to tighten the bolts on the wheels, because ours came off and the others were a bit loose. Yeah. See you next time on Stupid Fast RC.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and watch these crazy videos too. Stupid Fast RC.
Doorknobs. Everyone gets to punch him now.
So
oh no, I'm stuck. Oh, that's mine. Oh shit. Oh, that's disgusting. Get it out of here.